How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. So today's new video is regarding the ceiling plaster system. So this system is not an ordinary system. This system is a skim coat system. This system is generally is not same as the old conventional system of applying of the cement plaster. So this system, there's different layers in which the plaster system has been applied. Okay, so see, before starting any system, any plaster, the surface has to be finished properly. For example, the undulations to be removed. Here you can see we have grinding work which has been carried out between the two joints just to make an even finish and to remove any undulations. Also some holes to be closed, then all the cracks has to be rectified before starting this paint system. So we'll go. So we have different layers of skim system. This includes coats, which is for the joints, then a medium coat covering the complete area. Then we have two layers of fine coat, and then this after the fine coat only we can start the paint. So now I will show you the first layer. As you can see, this joints between the two, the one which we have already repaired with grinding, this is called the coarse joint. The material is specialized only for filling the joints to remove the uneven level finish, correct, and to have an even level finish, to remove all the undulations and to close all the holes and cracks so that we can get an even finish. Now you can see here we are applying the medium coat. So this medium coat, you can see this is applied for the entire area. This is not just for the joints, this is for the complete area. The material, if you are asking what kind of material has been used here, you can see same material is used here, but the application work is little different. You see this? This is the application for the medium. This course is called the medium coarse joint in order to cover the complete area of the slab. You can see here how they are applied. After drying, the color will change. And for heads up, the next layer cannot be started until this layer is completely dried. So we need to give at least 24 hours of time between the two layers for the application. So now if you can see, this is the first coat of the fine. You can see the difference. This is the medium coat, and here we have a fine coat. So this white material is the first layer of fine coat. This is applied after the application of the medium coat. You can see the finish here. The finishing should be proper. So it has been advised that the workers must be properly trained and they must have enough experience so that the work we can achieve is with high finishing. And now if you can see, this is our final fine coat, the second fine coat, and this is the last coat of the skim coat plaster system. You can see the finish, the final finish layer. Also the MEP services, if you can see, they have started MEP services, but you may be wondering that why are these rods are inserted in the slab. So for those who don't know, these rods, they are actually for the high level MEP services. This marking has been carried out previously before starting the coarse joint in order that in order to avoid any future problems, this can be done only after all the MEP drawings are finalized. This makes the work very easy, fast, and it helps to avoid losses of time. Even the surface will not be damaged later because of the drilling works.